I'm Seth Christmas. I am a body technician here, and this is my 94 Dodge that I just kind of redid during high school, just a classic high school project. When I bought the truck, all that was good on it was a roof and a hood pretty much. I redid everything else. I redid the rockers. I sectioned them right here through the middle, all the way up. Brand new rockers and cab corners. A lot of people, they put the 4th gen bumper on the truck and it really looks bad, but I kind of custom did this one. I ended up actually taking 3 inches out of the middle and I flattened off the top so it fit properly. And it turned out really good as well. And I obviously did the headliner, and everything up there I had to repaint. I put in new carpet. As soon as I got fuel, it had been sitting for 20 years, and as soon as I got fuel, it started right up. It was insane. Have you heard of the competition Skills USA? I won nationals 3 times.
Really?
Yeah. I went again for college the next year, and I took 2nd place, unfortunately, because I screwed something up, but we won't go there. And then I was pretty bummed after I'd taken 2nd, just because I was kind of hoping to take 1st, you know. And the head guy, he came up to me after and he's like, "Hey man, do you have a passport?" I was like, "Why? No, I don't have a passport. Like, why are you asking me that?" He's like, "Well, I'd really like it if you came to France for me to compete for World Skills in October." So I'm going to World Skills in October.
How does Cascade feel about that?
They're pretty hyped. I mean, they're a huge support with it.
Seth, they're saying that your truck's a clapped out rust bucket. Tell them it's a street tractor. Be like, it's a rusted out street tractor.
When that time of year comes, I mean, they're willing to do anything to help me out, just like give me product that I need or whatever. They're a huge help.